Hello, join me as we solve this wonderful question together. So the question says 5 raised to power, solution. The question says 5 raised to power x plus 2y is equal to 5, right? And so let's do this first, okay? But then maybe as we're doing this part, let's also do this part too. We have 4 raised to power x plus 3y is equal to 16. So what will happen is that we will do this part. I will also do this part. So 5 raised to power x plus 2y is equal to this, right? This can also be the same thing as can also be written as 5 raised to power 1. Reason being that anything raised to power 1 will give you the same value. So have this, you see, f 5 raised. So since they are the same base, what happens is that we equate the powers. So we have x plus 2y is equal to 1, right? Here, we also have this as 4 raised to power x plus 3y, which is equal to 4 raised to power 2. Reason being that 4 raised to power 2 is what? 16. So what do? Since they have the same base, we do what? We equate the powers. So we have it as x plus 3y is equal to 2. Now, this one here is just, let's say this is equation 1, and this is also equation 2. Let me write it. X plus 2y is equal to 1. It's actually equation 1, right? And this here, x plus 3y is equal to 2, is actually equation 2. So you can see that this has taken us to what? Simultaneous equation. So now we solve. We use the elimination method to solve it. So in elimination method, this one, we have x. So what we simply do is what? We subtract equation 1 from equation 2 from equation 1. So have it this way. X minus x will give you what? Nothing. We have 2y minus plus 3y. We simply give you just like saying 2 minus y. Sorry, 2 minus 3. Or 2 yams minus 3 yams. To give you what? Minus y. Because we are still owing. Y is equal to minus 1, 1 minus 2 is what? We have it as minus 1, right? So when y cancel both, minus to cancel both sides, we have y is equal to 1. So our y is equal to 1. Now we have solved for y. So now let's now go and solve for x. Substitute this one in any of the equation. Let's use equation 1. Substitute y is equal to 1 in equation 1. So we have our equation 1 says x plus 2y is equal to 1. And we have x plus 2 into bracket 1 is equal to 1 because our y is 1. So we have x plus 2, because 2 times 1 is 2, is equal to 1. So our x is equal to, this one cross to each other and change to what? What? Minus. We have minus 1 minus 2. So therefore, our x is equal to 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. So our y is what? 1. Our x is what? Minus 1. Our x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to what? Our x is equal to minus 1, of course, and y is equal to 1. So this is the value of our x and this is the value of our y. But remember, we're asked to find the value of 3 raised power x plus y. So let's clean this part. So what we do is to see 3 raised power x plus y, right? So this is same as saying 3 raised power, what's our x? Our x is minus 1 plus 1. So we have x 3 raised power minus 1 plus 1 is what? Of course, it's 0. 0. So answer is 3 raised power 0 is what? 1. So answer is 1. So this is our answer. The value of 3 raised power this is 1. So I believe you understood it. Bye.